ZAPTEST presents Mockup-based test. In this presentation, we'll show you how fast and easy it is to create a test script from Mockup, automatically generate test documentation, and then execute it in iOS, Android, Windows, and OS X in parallel. We'll take a hand-drawn mock-up of an application's login page and import it into ZAPTEST. The text in the mock-up image is automatically detected and objects are created. Now let's define the username text field and relate it to the username label. This way, if the username text changes position on the screen, the text field box will always follow it. Let's do the same for password. When done, we will add all objects into the script and build script logic. First, we'll add a validation step that verifies ZAPTEST page exists. Second, we'll add typing in the username and password steps. And lastly, we'll add click on the login button step. When the application under test is ready for testing, just type in the app address and run this script against it. The script runs successfully from its first execution without any modifications. Now, we can save time by automatically generating test documentation with a single click of a button. Then easily export it into Word, HTML, HPALM, or CA Agile Central. As our last test, we will run this test case against 4 different platforms: Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac OS X. With ease, we've connected to 4 real physical devices. Let's run the script. During the execution, we can track each device's progress through the live remote view and the colored line indicators in the script. When done, we can review the results of each device. Thank you for watching. Please visit our portal to get started today.